Here is some general information on clinical trials. If you have any specific questions, please feel free to call our office and ask for a research coordinator. Clinical trials test investigational drugs or devices so that regulatory authorities can determine whether it is safe and effective and can be approved for treatment. Regulatory authorities review and approve trial design. Careful thought and planning goes into each design of a clinical trial. It includes input from physicians, advocacy groups, and patients. The length and size of a trial can vary, and safety is always paramount. The biggest obstacle to finding a cure for diseases such as Alzheimer's disease is participation in clinical trials. We need more individuals to participate in trials. All trials have a study protocol, which is a document that outlines the objectives, methodology, and organization of the trial. It provides detailed information and a plan to follow when participating. Participation is always voluntary, and you can change your mind at any time and withdraw from participation. If you are interested in participating in a trial, there is a screening process to determine eligibility. Eligibility criteria varies by trial and helps researchers identify individuals who can safely participate. At the CRCNJ, our screening process begins with an individual participating in a memory screen and completing some paperwork about their medical history. Then we have a conversation and answer any questions you may have. So why would someone want to participate in a clinical trial? Here are a few reasons. During a trial, a multidisciplinary team of experts may provide more frequent health checks. In fact, research shows that individuals participating in research have better outcomes. In addition, by participating in a trial, you may have access to cutting technologies and therapies you would otherwise not have access to. For example, amyloid PET scans, which can be very expensive and unable for individuals to access in the community. Furthermore, research also shows that individuals do better overall with managing the disease when participating in clinical trials, even if they are in fact receiving a placebo. Trials are free of cost to you. No insurance is used. Everything, including procedures, medications, and scans, for example, are paid for by the study sponsor. Finally, what I believe to be the most important reason to participate, you would be contributing to scientific knowledge, assisting with finding a cure, and providing better treatments, or therefore helping our future generations. So how do you actually participate in a clinical trial? One way is to call our office and schedule a memory screen. These memory screens are free of cost and assist in determining eligibility of trials. The screening takes about an hour and can be done via telehealth. It uses a variety of evidence-based tests. It does not provide any diagnosis for cognitive impairments. The results provide recommendations for further follow-up if needed and determines initial eligibility for screening for a trial. If you have any questions or want further assistance, please feel free to call us at the CRCNJ and speak with one of our research coordinators about trials.